Happy Monday, people. Who's feeling the Monday blues today? I don't think I am actually, but I have a short amount of time, so I've been working on scripts to back up my Power BI workspaces, both my semantic models and then also my reports. And one thing I was going to do today is part of my script essentially allows me to compare my version history to look for changes, and then it spot checks very specific changes. That's done directly in my UI right now. I'm just going to flip that a little bit and then have that in an HTML window just to make it look a little bit nicer. I don't have a lot of time during the week, so I'm just kind of doing small things to make the backup um, strategy better. I also want to put this on a schedule so I don't have to run this manually myself, specifically the scripts for the backup strategy, so that they'll just run themselves. So I'll probably do that during the weekend or closer to Friday. But I am going to do a quick HTML for my comparisons. So here we go. Okay, so I'm back. Didn't take too long, but these scripts are rendering HTML now, so it just makes it a little bit easier to do the comparison. Um, I'll probably work on the format a little bit down the road, but essentially what they're doing is I have these backup folders that put a timestamp on all of my reports, then they back all the reports up, and essentially it's going to compare the two newest folders and then look for differences within them. If you saw, I'll do it right now, but I can go into this report. I can essentially, let's do open with Notepad. I'm just going to put a little difference on here and then we can kind of see what this looks like. So we'll do Ben was here today, Monday. Okay, then we'll say this, and when I run this again, I should be able to see that then. We'll go in here. That runs. Let me move it down into the window. But we can see I have three things that have changed since the previous run. That's what I just put on when I was talking through it. So it's picking that up. And then also I have some other additions here that we can see here too. So, and then one report was removed from there. Let's actually try this one more time. I'm going to remove one more report from there and just make sure that piece is working. Let's do this one right here. So I'm going to delete this out of there. And we'll run this again and see if the removed report is working how we'd expect it. And it is, I can see that already. So we see the other report I removed. That's pretty cool. I like having it in the HTML rather than the UI of the console that I'm running it in. A lot cleaner. I will probably work on the formatting this and probably put some other cool things in here too. But this is a start. Um, I have my backup strategy in place, and then I can review changes very quickly too between my models. So this should help me um, with my maintenance plan, my backup strategy, a lot of cool things. So I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to keep continuing on this probably for a long time. There's a lot of different layers I want to build into this. So I hope you follow along. Again, I'm just throwing out concepts here. If you want to talk about them, if you have suggestions or things that you do, make comments, reach out to me. I love to talk about this. All right, have a great day, everybody. Talk to you later. Have a blessed Monday.